இன்று ஒரு புதிய பதிவு, சிவில் லாயர்ஸ் வெர்சஸ் கிரிமினல் லாயர்ஸ். Civil lawyer represent private citizens or businesses or corporations and criminal lawyer either represent or prosecute people who are accused of committing crimes. In criminal law, the accused is given punishment to provide justice to the victims, whereas in civil law, the victims are provided compensation. Civil law cases include custody disputes, bankruptcy, defamation, breach of contract, property dispute, etc. Civil law deals with acts related to individuals to which harm caused can be repaid by compensation or monetary relief. Criminal law deals with a crime that causes damage to a person, which is an offense against society as well. Examples of cases covered under civil law include negligence, fraud, breach of contract, medical malpractice, and marriage dissolution. If someone damages another person's property, the victim may sue the perpetrator in civil court for the cost of the damage. While a criminal case is filed by the state against the offender, a civil case is filed by a person or entity against another person or entity. How long does a civil lawsuit take? This depends on whether you are willing to accept a settlement early in the case. If you go all the way through trial, a civil suit can take as long as 2 years from filing the lawsuit to a judgment by the court. Most serious type of crime and often classified by degrees with a first degree. The most serious offense include terrorism, treason, arson, murder, rape, robbery, burglary, and kidnapping. The most severe criminal charge that anybody may face is first degree murder. Although all murder charges are serious, first degree murder carries the worst punishment. This is because premeditation, which means the defendant is accused of pre-planning their victim death. In case of criminal law, the burden of proof lies with the government in order to prove that the defendant is guilty. On the other hand, in case of civil law, the burden of proof first lies with the plaintiff and then with the defendant to refute the evidence provided by the plaintiff. In case of civil litigation, if the judge or jury believes that there are more than 50% of the evidence favoring plaintiff, then plaintiff win, which is very low as compared to 99% proof for criminal law. In case of criminal law, defendant is not declared guilty unless there are approximately more than 99 proofs against him. This is the difference between civil law and criminal law. So our viewers have any civil cases or criminal cases, please understand which one is come under criminal law, which one is come under civil law. Both are different. As I earlier said, civil lawyers represent private citizens. Criminal lawyers either represent or prosecute people who are accused of committing crimes. So both are different. Civil law takes more than 2 years, 3 years to get award from civil court. Criminal cases settled by 3 months to 6 months. Judge award the state, award the degree. So viewers understand what is the difference between civil law and criminal law. Thank you.